Dear students, now question number 5 we will do. Find the least number which must be added. In the previous question we have done subtracted. Now added to each of the following so as to make it a perfect square. Second part, also find out the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So I told you in the previous question, whenever they will tell you to subtract or add, you have to do long division method. So again I am solving 3 parts for you and try second and fourth part yourself. So let's move on to first part. 525. So let us make it a perfect square by adding something. So the first is 525. So here I have done long division for you. I hope it is clear to you. Very first of all we will make the pairs. First pair will be 25, second will be 05. We have to use the square numbers. 2 2s are 4. Balance is 1. Carry the next pair, it will become 125. Then to get the next divisor, add the same divisor. You will get 2 plus 2, 4 and dash. Now what should be put here so as to get this number? We are putting 2. If we will put 2, we have to multiply 42 by 2. So when 42 gets multiplied by 2, you will get 84, and by subtracting this will be the remainder. Dear students, in case of subtraction we have used the remainder, क्योंकि remainder extra होता है, उसे अगर हम subtract कर देते तो वो perfect square बनता. But now we have to add something. So if we'll add this, we do not get the perfect square. Now in this question we will use the quotient. Quotient क्या आया है? 22. So what we have to do is we have to write this in equality. अब आपको पता है कि 125 जब हम 22 मिल रहा है तो 525 इससे ग्रेटर होगा. सो व्हाट आई हैव रिटन 525 इज ग्रेटर देन 22 स्क्वायर, बट इट विल बी लेस देन द नंबर नेक्स्ट टू 22. 22 से नेक्स्ट कौन आता है? 23. तो हम लिखेंगे दैट इट इज लेस देन 23 स्क्वायर. और 3 नंबर हमें इस तरह से मिल जाते हैं and we will subtract the greater 2 numbers. इन दोनों का हम difference find out करेंगे. So what do we do? We'll take 23 square minus 525 is equal to 23 square is 529 minus 525. So what do we get? When we subtract these two, we'll get 4. So this is the number which when added to the given number will get the perfect square. So what do we write? Therefore 4 must be added. 4 must be added to make the given number to make it a perfect square. So let us add 4 to 525. Let us add 4 to this. When we add it, we'll get 529. See, by adding 4 to this number, we have reached the square of this number. That is 529. So, now the second 2 parts are given to you in the question. The least number to be added, वो हमने find out कर लिया 4. Now second part is find the square root of the number so obtained. So we obtained 529. So now let us quickly find out the square root of 529. Make the pairs. First pair, second. I told you follow the same step. First we have taken 2, then 40. Then next check out. 2 2s are 4. Subtract, balance is 1. Carry the next pair. Now to get the next divisor, add. We'll get 4 and dash. Dear students, if we'll take 2, we'll get 84. लेकिन अब ऐड कर चुके हैं. ऐड करने से क्या होगा? हमें एक नंबर ग्रेटर मिलेगा. तो 2 से नेक्स्ट कौन होता है? 3. We'll take 3. And when we'll take 43, we have to multiply this number by 3. And 43 when get multiplied by 3 will get we'll get 129. So in this way we made it a perfect square. So square root of 529 is 23. So this is the answer. So I hope it is clear to you. First of all, long division method. Now in case of addition we'll use the quotient. Quotient 22 है तो हमें एक नंबर उससे ग्रेटर लेना है. We have taken 23. 23 square minus 525. Difference जो लेंगे, that is the number which must be added to make it a perfect square. In the similar way, we'll do the second part. In the second part, the quotient is 15. In the second part, the quotient is 15. तो 15 से greater कौन है 16? तो 16 square minus 252 करेंगे हम. 16 square minus 252. And what is 16 square? 16 into 16, 256 minus 252. So again when we subtract them, we'll get 4. Again 4 must be added. By chance in this question also we got 4 must be added to make it a perfect square. So we'll add 4 and we'll add 4, we'll get 256. Now let us find out the square root of 256. This is first pair, second pair. First step will follow the same 1. 1 ones are 1. Subtract, carry the next pair, add the same divisor to get the next. Now, if I'll take the same number 5, I'll get 125. I have to select the next one. 5 se next kaun hoga? 6. So 26 into 6 will get 156. So in this way, this is the answer. So square root of 256 is 16. Okay. Now next part, last part, the quotient is 80. So we have taken a number greater than this. 80 का square is less than 6412 is less than 81. हमें बड़े पर जाना है तो हमें इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. तो what do we write? 81 square minus 6412. And 81 square is 6561 minus 6412. And when we subtract them, we'll get 149 is the least number which must be added to the given number to make it a perfect square. So we'll add it. 149 is added. We'll get 6561. Now let us find out the square root of 6561. First pair, second pair. So 8 8s are 64. Subtract, balance is 1, carry the next pair. Same divisor, will get 16. यहाँ हमने 0 लिया था स्टेप में, अब क्या ले लेंगे 1. So 161 ones are 161. So it has become a perfect square. So dear students, I hope it is clear to you. Very first of all, do long division, then use quotient. Write this inequality. जो quotient आएगा उससे एक नंबर ग्रेटर लेना है. 81 स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे गिवन नंबर को, उससे हमें वो नंबर मिल जाएगा. विल गेट द नंबर विच मस्ट बी एडेड, एंड व्हेन वी add it to the given number, it will become a perfect square. So square root of 6561 is 81. So we'll write the answer in this way. So I hope it is clear to you. So try the remaining two parts yourself.